Hello, my name is Zulfikar and I am from Eye Solutions, the complete eye hospital. And in this video, I am going to talk about regular maintenance of your soft contact lenses. What are some steps which can help you to maintain your eye health as well as the lens which needs to be taken care if you are using reusable lenses.
Please remember, do not shower in your lenses, do not sleep with your lenses, and do not swim in your lenses, just to avoid any eye infections. Please get in touch with your eye care professional to know more about a daily disposable lens which can be used during these particular hours of your swimming.
Please note, wear your lenses 1 hour after your wake up time and remove the lenses 1.5 hours before you go for bed. This is just to allow your eyes to breathe well as they were throughout the day wearing a lens.
Rinse the lenses thoroughly when you wear them for the day, as well as when you store them back in the case after wear with the new solution in the case every time. Always remember that the case should be empty when there is no lens stored inside, and when you keep the lenses back in, new solution should be poured every time. And also be mindful when you are storing the lens back in the new solution in the case, it should be floating and not sticking to the corners of the case, which can damage your lens. And close the lid properly so that the solution should not leak out. When you remove the lenses from the case to wear, drain the previous solution and wipe the case with the tissue and let it air dry. That is, leave the case to automatically dry. Always remember, if you want to apply any eye makeup, always lens should go in first and then you have to apply your makeup. Same, when you want to wipe out your makeup at the end of the day, remove the lens first and then the eye makeup. And lastly, remember that you have to wash your lens case every week. Use the same solution to rinse and clean the case all the sides. Make sure solution wets and clean all the places, and then to dry it, use a tissue as shown in the video.
Always remember to replace your solution bottle on regular basis even if the solution is remaining in the bottle. For that, write the date of opening on the solution bottle so that you remember. I hope this video was helpful. Get in touch with your eye care professional to know more about your lenses. Thanks for watching.